OpenMV camera module, although small, is fully equipped with all the essential parts. Let's make an interesting little application together today. Follow the movement of the color block. Follow our team. Let's have a look. The components we need to use are STM32 text, DS3115 servo motor, OpenMV camera module, 3.7 volt batteries. Red card. In simple terms, OpenMV is a programmable camera module. You can implement your logic by using the micropython language. The camera is built with some image processing algorithms. It can perform simple image recognition or more advanced visual processing, and so on, such as eye tracking, robot line following, and object recognition. What we are using is color recognition. This is the logic code for OpenMV. First, initialize the camera. Set the pixel format to RGB 565. Set the frame's resolution to 160 x 120. Disable white balance. Due to the inverted installation of the camera on the servo motor, therefore, it is necessary to apply vertical mirror flip and horizontal mirror flip to correct the orientation of the image. Initialize serial port 3 with a baud rate of 115,200. Set the color block threshold. The IDE provides a simple tool to obtain color threshold values. Copy and paste the color threshold values. This is the color block detection method provided in the example code. Find the largest color block in the current frame and record its information. Calculate the offset value between the color block and the center of the frame. If the center of the color block is at the right side of the center of the frame, send the character R to the STM32. Otherwise, send L to the STM32. Further proceed with writing the code for the STM32 side. Similarly, initialize the required modules first. Set the initial duty cycle to 75%. It corresponds to the servo motor, rotating to 90 degrees, which is the center position. Next is the operation after receiving a character from the serial port. If L is received, control the servo motor to rotate to the left. If R is received, control the servo motor to rotate to the right. Great! Let's get started and work on it together. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.